Hi, I'm Dr. Kanan. I'm a clinical psychologist, a homeopath, and a performance coach. And today we're going to talk about stress. Sounds familiar, doesn't it, to each one of you? We live in a city, and in a country where stress is more common and increasing more than the pollution levels. Wouldn't you agree? Every second person you know has some form of stress. And what we don't realize that stress is largely how we see our life. Stress is how we see our relationships. It's a way of seeing, it's a way of looking, it's the colored glass with which we view everything, including our bosses, including our organizations, including our employees. That is our stress. And stress impacts the brain, it impacts the body. You know, when MRI scans of people who are very stressed out are done, parts of their brain light up, very similar to parts of the brain that light up when we are in pain, physical pain. And that's why weeks and months of being stressed out can lead to physical illnesses. And everybody knows that, blood pressure, diabetes is stress related. But now stress has become so common that migraines and asthmas and children with headaches, children who repeatedly get cold and coughs, is because of stress. Stress drops our immunity. It drops the way we handle life as well. Yes. In fact, stress makes us more susceptible to even anxiety and depression. In fact, the World Health Organization has said that the most common illness after heart ailments is depression, right? So it is very important that we learn efficient ways of handling stress. We take a lot of medication to deal with symptoms. It's like you're dealing with the fruit of a tree, right? We pop a medication to help our headache, but it's like cutting off a fruit. Actually, we have to go back and we have to really see, okay, what's going into the trunk of the tree, what's going into the roots of the tree. So as individuals, it is our responsibility to see what's in the roots, to see what's in the trunk, so that the fruits of the tree are better. So as a doctor of medicine, of homeopathy, I enable people, giving them the right homeopathic medication after understanding each individual, knowing that each individual is different. We enable them to receive the right homeopathy, to supplement them in a way that they are able to deal with their stress better. Along with homeopathy, we also give people different techniques of handling their stress, different ways of how to change the brain so that they have different MRI scans, right? Because that is really the proof of the pudding. And these techniques enable them to see life differently, to have better relationships, to be more productive at work as well. So from hypertension to irritable bowel syndrome, to psoriasis, to simple acne, polycystic ovarian diseases, or even hair fall today, is because of stress. So as Dr. Kanan, let me enable you and empower you to use your stress to bring the best part of you to the forefront so that you can have a happier, healthier life. So feel free to contact me through Lybrate.com.